What's up, everyone? Back with another Tesla Mechanical Design Engineer interview question solved. Before we get into today's problem, a joke. What do you call a Tesla's new car smell? Stick around to the end of the video to find out. Like our previous videos, we're going to break this problem down into smaller steps. Step 1 is going to be gather the relevant information. Step 2 is going to be identify the equations we're going to use to solve the problem. Step 3 will be attempting our solution. And step 4 is going to be reviewing the answer we came up with. Let's dive right in with step 1. Today's problem states, a 1,000 kilogram vehicle is undergoing crash testing. It starts on a hill of 20 meters in height and rolls down under gravity towards the barrier. The impact deceleration at the barrier occurs over 50 milliseconds. What is the average power of the impact? Neglect all losses up to the point of impact. The relevant information in this problem statement is that our mass is equal to 1,000 kilograms, our height is equal to 20 meters, time is equal to 50 milliseconds, which is also equal to 50 times 10 to the negative third seconds. And we're asked, what is the average power? So we're trying to find P average. Let's move on to step 2, identifying the equations we're going to use to solve this problem. If you just look up the equation for average power, you'll find that power is equal to work over time. This is also equal to the change in energy over time. In this case, that's equal to the change in potential energy plus the change in kinetic energy. There's no kinetic energy initially, so that's equal to 0. And that means that our power average is just going to equal potential energy over time. Potential energy is equal to mass times gravity times height. So P average is going to equal mass times gravity times height divided by time. Let's move on to step 3, attempting our solution. Because we already have our equation and we have mass, gravity, height, and our time, this just turns into a plug and chug problem. Plugging in all of our numbers, we find that P average is equal to 1,000 kilograms times 9.81 meters per second squared times 20 meters divided by 50 times 10 to the negative third seconds. This equals 3,924,000 kilogram meter squared per second cube. All right, there we have it. Let's move on to step 4, reviewing. Well, 3,924,000 kilogram meters squared per second cube was not an option for this question. However, 3.92 times 10 to the 6 watts was. And because a kilogram meter squared per second cubed is equivalent to a watt, we can feel pretty confident that that is the correct solution. So the final answer is 3.92 times 10 to the 6 watts. As for the joke of the day, what do you call a Tesla's new car smell? Elon's Musk. That's all for this one. Hope you enjoyed. Please leave a comment below if you solved this in any different way or found any issues. See you in the next one.